Okay, this is going to be a lesson on systems of equations, solving by graphing. Okay, so basically it's going to be very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to graph each of these lines. So this one, I'm going to start at -6. All right, and then because I got a slope of 2, that means 2 up, 1 right. Remember, always make that a fraction. Okay, so 2 up, 1 right. 2 up, 1 right. 2 up, 1 right. 2 up, 1 right. You're going to want to make multiple points to make sure you have a straight line here. Okay? Draw your line nice and big. Okay? Nice and big. Draw multiple points if you can. Okay, now this one, I would start at +3. Now, so we say, Mr. Evans, what's the slope on that? Well, that's a -1. Well, what would that be a fraction? -1/1. So that's 1 down, 1 right. So from here, 1 down, 1 right, 1 down, 1 right, 1 down, 1 right, 1 down, 1 right. Okay, now here's this line. Okay, now, so we graphed it. Now the solution, okay, the solution is where it intersects. Okay, now as a reminder, when you go to graph points, the first number is how many you go left or right. If you go left, it's negative. If positive, it's right. Second number is up or down. Positive if you go up, negative if you go down. So here I go from the origin, 3 right. Okay, so 3 right, 0 up. So that is my solution. It's 3, 0. Okay, which means x equals 3, y equals 0. Okay, it's that simple. That's all you have to do is graph it. Find out where it intersects. We sort of talked about this already. So this one I would start at 3, okay? Because I got -1/4, that means 1 down, 4 right. So 1 down, 1, 2, 3, 4 right. 1 down, 1, 2, 3, 4 right. 1 down, it'll be all over here. Then I go the other way. 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Big long line. Okay? This one I would start at -8. Okay, and then this would be 2/1, which means 2 up, 1 right. So 1, 2, 1 right, up 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 1, 2, 1 right. Okay, and you're going to estimate that. Okay, all right, I know that you're going to be drawing on your grids. You want to try to estimate that. So what does that mean? I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 up. So my solution is 5, 2, where x equals 5 and y equals 2. Okay, that's simple. Okay, now with these, we're just going to graph the intercepts here. Okay, so what I would do is I got 6x equals 8, I got 2y equals 8, I would divide by 6, that's x equals 4/3. If you need to use your Desmos, please do. All right, 8 divided by 6, all right, 1.3, okay, all right, and we'll put that right there for right now. Divide by 2, y would be 4, so I got 4 and 1.3, so about right here, okay, all right, big long line through it, okay, all right, now this one, I would go 4x equals 24, be very careful, because that's a negative. I got -8y equals 24. So divided by 4, that would be x equals 6. Okay, divide by -8, divide by -8, that's going to be y equals 24 divided by -8 would be -3. Okay, all right, so I draw a big long line through that. Okay, we're going to estimate this. Okay, that's 1, 2 over, 1, 2 down. Okay, so 2 to the right, 2 down. Okay, would be the solution there. Okay, 2 right, 2 down. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and do this one. We'll set this one equal to -8. Set this equal to -8. All right, divide by 4. Divide by 4. I got x equals, once again, if you need to do the Desmos, please do. That's going to be -2. Divide by 4, that's going to be y equals -2. So -2 and -2. I want to draw a big long line. big long line. Okay? All right? Hold on 1 second on that one. It's not right. Hold on 1 second. Let's take this one off. That's not what I wanted to do. That's not right. Sorry. You gotta fix that. That should be negative. Go ahead and start that problem over again. That's not what I wanted to do on that one. All right. Okay, sorry. All right, so what I want to do is I want to do negative 4x equaling 8, 4y equaling 8, divide by negative 4. That's going to be x is negative 2. I want to divide by 4. It's going to be y equals 2. Sorry. I drew that wrong. Okay, try to do as straight a line as you possibly can. Okay, this one, okay, I want to do negative 12x equals 72. Negative 36y equals 72. Divide by negative 12. All right, so I got 72 divided by negative 12. That is negative 6. Okay, so negative 6 on the x-axis. Divide by negative 36. That's 72 divided by negative 36, which is negative 2. Okay, all right. It's right here. Okay, all right. So I want to draw my line to the best of my ability. Okay, all right. Good estimate for that. All right, is 1, 2, 3 over, 1 down. So negative 3 over, negative 1 down, or x equals negative 3, y equals negative 1. Okay? All right, let's go on to the next one. All right, so I got one of each. So what I want to do, okay, all right, is I want to set 3x equal to 36. I want to set 9y equal to 36. Divide by 3, I got x equals 12. Divide by 9, I got y equals 4. So I got 4 and 12, which should be somewhere like way out here. Oops, let me just do this up. Okay, so something like that. Okay, all right. Now this one I would want to start at 4. All right, so that's that same spot. Okay. All right, and I would want to go down 1 to the right, 1, 2, and 3. So basically it's the same spot as the other one. So when I go to connect it, all right, okay, so I start here. All right, this is 1 down, 3 right. Okay, so I end up on the same line. So we talked about that in parallel perpendicular. This would be infinite solutions or all solutions, because they are the same line. Okay, they're the same line. All right, and then let's go to do one more. Okay, I got this one. I would start at negative 1. Okay, then this means 1 up, 4 right. So 1 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 right. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 right. Okay. This one I would do 2x equals 24. I got negative 8, and then negative 8y equals 24. Divide by negative 8. I got y equals negative 3, which would be right here. Divide by 2. Oops, sorry, that's not right. It'd be negative 3. Okay, all right. And then I would divide by 2 on this. So x is 12. All right, so that's way out here again. Okay, now if you look at this one, okay, what do you notice? Okay, these lines do not intersect. Okay, so this would be no solution. These are parallel lines. Okay, these are parallel lines. So if you draw your lines and they don't intersect, all right, that's going to be a no solution. Okay, so that is the solving systems by graphing.